Not everything these pigs root around in actually stays on the ground. Purdue professor Albert Heber says some materials end up in the air, and that can cause a sting. And the Environmental Protection Agency wants to know if air quality is being compromised.
Well, first of all, we are interested in emissions, but we're also interested in the things that cause emissions, so we're trying to measure both.
Animal operations like this hog farm produce emissions into the air, things like ammonia and dust that in large amounts can be dangerous to humans. So far, the EPA has not had a good way to estimate the amount of emissions that come out of an operation like this. That's why Heber says this study is so important.
We need to know the concentration of the pollutants at the exhaust fans, so we measure that. We measure that using high-quality instrumentation.
Heber is leading the National Air Emission Monitoring Study. The EPA is looking for a way to estimate how much each animal produces. For instance, on a hog farm, leftover feed can be kicked up into the air. This study will give an estimate of the amount of feed particles from each one. The EPA can then use that data as a baseline for other farms. Heber says the study is opening doors for other research as well.
The Agriculture Air Research Council and these producers are allowing additional studies to be done on these sites so that odor can be measured. EPA doesn't regulate odor, but USDA has funded odor studies to be done on some of these sites, and greenhouse gases.
The study also looks at the emission released in open-air places storing agricultural waste. Seth Conley, News Channel 18.